If you ever had a headache after a chiropractic adjustment, don't panic. Most of the time, it's completely explainable. Chiropractic adjustments are designed to correct what we call vertebral subluxation patterns, where your spine, especially in the neck and upper back, isn't moving and coordinating properly. When we reduce the subluxation, muscles that have been guarding can start to change. Posture can shift, and the nervous system has to recalibrate. That can create mild tension type headaches for 24, 48 hours, kind of like soreness after a workout. Here's what helps. Drink water, take a short walk, reduce screen time, and avoid heavy workouts right after care early in the corrective plan. If the headache is severe, worsening, or comes out to numbness, weakening, or symptoms that feel alarming, call the office right away. If you want care that's strategic, corrective, and built for long-term stability, come see us here at the New York Chiropractic Life Center.